working really hard to find solutions to cover the country in high-speed mobile internet with 4G. And as you all know, there are times when sites go down in terms of flooding or other disasters, and there are also really difficult areas of the country that we have to cover. So we've been working with the team on a really innovative, exciting solution, which you can see flying behind us here. It would normally fly at a much higher height, so the team are just struggling getting all the physics right, I think, making sure it stays up in the right direction for us. But delighted to be with you, and we're also announcing today that and we're running a demo with this, basically working off pre-5G millimeter wave backhaul technology. And we've been working with the research and development teams that Mansell leads on this, and all of the innovation and power and knowledge that we've got in the Adastral site that is helping us power our mobile network, take it to more places, and do more and more innovative things.
We believe it's the first time anybody's showing in Europe the application of pre-5G technologies in this band, the millimeter wave band, anywhere in Europe, and especially for the backhaul purpose, because what we'll be doing is using that pre-5G to connect up the 4G small cell with this integrated antenna that's on that helikite. So it's a way of bringing forward the future and the present technologies, and it's the first of its kind. So we've done this together with some partners. Some of the partners that worked on us on the original solution are here, Parallel Wireless, with the 4G small cell that's on the balloon, inside the balloon there. And what's really interesting about this technology is that it's a meshing technology, which means that whatever the size of the area that's impacted, in the case of a disaster, we can link several of these balloons together, these helikites together, or even the future drone-based solutions, and mesh them together in a way that can spread the coverage to areas that would not be possible with a single solution, which is really important when we go into the age of ultra-resilient networks. And we always want to be there where our customers need us most. At the moment they need us most, so that's why we designed the initial helikite solution, which can be set up very quickly and provide wide area coverage and to replace the areas impacted. And we showed a few months ago how we can do that over 4G, and we showed that we can use various ways of connecting back to the network over satellite and in-band backhaul. But when we looked at what we were doing here in BT Labs, we realized that we could do a lot more, putting together the proof of concepts and trials we've been doing on pre-5G here with the existing 4G solution. So this is what we're announcing today, and what we're showing is that with future technologies such as 5G, and today pre-5G, because as we know 5G is not being completely standardized yet, it's a pre-5G solution using very high frequencies in the millimeter wave band, which allow us to actually increase the efficiency of this system. It allows us to offer a much higher number of users, much higher speeds, because data is obviously critical for many of the emergency services, not just voice. Also very low latency, which can be critical in terms of saving lives in a critical situation. And in the future, it probably would be enough capacity to allow us to offer this solution to a multi-operator solution, because obviously, we feel our role is not just saving, our customers when they need us, but the whole of the UK. So these are the areas that we believe will be enabled by this technology. And what's really interesting is the millimeter wave technology, because it allows very, very small antennas, but many of those antennas, you can actually dynamically change where those antennas point to. So it's perfect for solutions which are moving. And we believe for 5G, transport routes, trains, planes, ships, but of course balloons, drones, anything flying in the sky is the perfect area in which to apply this, so that whenever the wind may move these balloons in the air, or even in the future when we develop untethered solutions, the millimeter wave technology will allow those solutions to be tracked and offer the best quality even if they're moving.